What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, September 23rd, Friday. Friday of Death this morning so far. So I am looking at charting back into July 17th and 19th when we hit our low, because this is pretty much where our levels are at right now. Level I was watching was 38 or 37.19, excuse me. ES is down over 50 points this morning, and it seems to kind of be holding that level. So we'll watch that. Maybe we bounce here and we'll head back up, but we'll see. I don't hold high hopes for the market structure this morning. Of course, this is why they had JPOW talk this afternoon, because they knew that markets would be shitty, and so they're going to probably try to talk it back up after 2 p.m. possibly. We'll see. Big level, though, I'm watching is this 3680, 3683, 3680. We don't stop there this morning or this afternoon or today. Then we'll retest these June lows of 3640. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Anything that we're seeing now is just death, pretty much. We need to get back over 77. So we're 60 points off. This just keeps kind of grinding lower. So I don't hold any high hopes today for anything. I'm overall pretty bearish. Now, we can't see a spike if something changes. Maybe a euro close spike at 11:30, 12:30 Eastern. I don't know. But as of now, this looks pretty sad. You had a dump on Fed Day, kind of a retrace, and I think a lot of people got caught in here, dumped down, and then this is just nonstop. So your next pivot's 36.77. 37.20 is right there at that 37.19 level I've been talking about. So we'll see if this level maybe holds. It's only 7:24 in the AM Eastern, so we'll see. Daily chart, this one looks sad too. So you had your pop, and now we're coming back down. Volume profile POC is 32.28. I think that's on a 3-year. And then there's your 36.40 level that we're kind of watching. Here's a fun weekly chart. This goes back to '08 low and COVID low. And then you have another channel here on top. So this is kind of where we're at. So once we break this, we're kind of a free fall into this level. The 27.26 level, I'm not saying we get there. I'm not saying we get down to here. This is just kind of for reference, but this is a 4-year volume profile, and that's your POC right there is 27.26 on a 4-year. So we'll see where this goes. This is just kind of for grins, but it doesn't look extremely happy as of now. Looks pretty sad. So we'll do the quarterly chart here and see where we're at. So this is where our bar is. Again, next week closes this bar, and then we go to the next one. So we'll kind of see how this all turns out. This doesn't look very bullish. Honestly, if we close below that 36.42 level, that might be interesting, actually. So we'll see. I don't know if there's going to be a reprieve, if any buyers are going to step in. Right now, there's zero sign of it. Euro, so the euro broke that 995 level right here, came back, blew out that 8634 level, and now we're low of 97.35 this morning, kind of bouncing back 97.55 now. This is again, I hold no hopes for this currency going forward. My target is still 95. After that is 92, and after that, I don't know. Here's your Bank of Japan's little intervention here that dropped yen down to about 140. Now we're coming back. So intervention's going to have a half-life, looks like maybe a week, probably less. Lots of hikes, or talking about hiking interest rates in Europe. Listen, the bond market was destroyed with negative interest rates since 14. So it doesn't matter what they do. Any relief will be short-lived on this. Again, that's going to put pressure on the U.S. equity market until we see a total capital flight from Europe here. And then that's when you can see not only the dollar rise, gold rise, and equities rise. And that's going to make people's little heads explode. But we're not there yet. I probably won't see that until post first quarter of 23. This is going to be a very ugly fourth quarter, I think. So anyway, that's, as of today, levels wise, I want to see 3680 hold, and if not, then we're going to hit the 3640 lows. There might be some intervention in between there. Considering we're already 50 down, I think that 80 level should probably be about it. That'd take us down about 100 points, but who knows? At this juncture, maybe we consolidate here and bounce back up. Ideally, you want to get above 63, but this 577 level, we really need to get that back up above that to stave off death here. That 997 level is also quite large, so keep an eye on that. So if we rally back, that could form resistance. I was kind of hoping that was going to hold yesterday on the way down, but it sliced through it, and it looked like it was going to close over it, and then it dumped on the close, and that was when everything got sad. So anyway, stay safe today. Swings are going to be crazy. Rel Vol's 155. I don't know today. I've got some meetings in the morning. I'll be back in the afternoon, but I wouldn't trade this anyway, just because I don't see. I don't know. This is just going to get wonky. The swings are going to be there just like yesterday, and then Lord knows what happens when Powell speaks it too. So anyway, hang tight. If you take anything, I would size down, see profit, take profit. I wouldn't hang around in any position, and stay safe. And I'll be in the room later this afternoon.